idea. So we have, other than painters and sculptors in this group, we also have a cake designer and a fashion designer as well, and performance artists who will be somewhere around and be doing their performance art. So you can document those and also interview them after. This is curated by the artist Rudy Sacker, and he's supposed to be around. Rumiko, are you here? So here you have the curator and artist. What can you say? Short and sweet about your show. A mad show.
Yeah, obviously the theme is about not just madness, but wonder. The imagination possibilities based on madness. Since we know naman na madness, there's no limitation to it. So we're trying to explore possibilities, not just about yun sa inspiration na based kay Lewis Carroll, but we're also trying to expand the theme itself. So for example, I gathered the artists na I assigned to them different aspects na Mad Hatter, Tea Party, or ng Alice in Wonderland. And then they should try to depict each character na I asked them to portray in a different way na it doesn't just it isn't just an illustration, but it's also an artistic exploration. So this is what we came out. So I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah. There's so much stuff going on in this group. So this is hosted by Gallery 9 for their group. Please go around later. Okay, so let's go to